So hey guys, हो गया रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू? या आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग लगा के आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड ब्रो. सो हे गाइस, hope every one of you are doing great है ना. We are doing great. I'm with my brother तुषार सोल्टा, ठीक है. And we are right now at Dehradun Jaitanwala. Okay, this is one of the most wonderful places. So we thought है ना, why not just have a morning walk and just have a sit with my brother and we just talk about psychology and mental health, because we have both been into the field of mental health. रिटेनर निकाल रहा था ब्रो है ना, बिकॉज रिटेनर वॉज somehow मेकिंग माई वॉइस लुक लिटिल स्टटर, तोतला जैसा बोल रहा था. बट नाउ वी आर गुड, माई वॉइस इज क्लियर. सो वी आर बैक. This will be an interesting thing. Okay, we'll just not dive into our Tushar Sarko life story. We will not be going that much, but we will try to get is some knowledge, some studies that he have done or what he have read about psychology, mental health, and what he personally thinks about mental health. Hai na? That will be the main focus. Let me first describe little thing, hai na? Little introduction of Tushar sir. So he is actually an intern right now at Doon Psychotherapeutic Center. He's doing his masters from Punjab University.
Lovely.
From Lovely University, one of the like top university they say in India. So he's one of the ambassador for the LPU University. So now let us talk something about mental health. And first let us understand what Tushar sir really means about mental health. He has been studying psychology, and we will definitely deal with a lot of prevailing topics. Okay, that will be concerning children's, every age group. Yeah, because mental health, sir, whatever I think, mental health is a concern for these days. Irrespective of age, what I feel interesting about mental health, it does not discriminate. Okay? Like whatever age, whatever gender, even like the new genders, it doesn't discriminate. It's fair to everyone, and everyone, irrespective of age, gender, caste, class, status. Even the poor status people have mental health problem, and even the higher people have. So sir, tell us something about yourself. अब मैंने बता दिया, फिर भी tell us something what you are really doing right now. Okay, and we'll specifically deal with psychology and mental health, sir. So let me have a seat and sir, it's all up to you.
Ask me what you want to know.
Like how long have, like why psychology? That's the first option. Like thinking, why psychology? There are a lot of options.
Not really. One of the reasons I took psychology is because it is still a very exploring field.
Yeah.
And there's a lot to research in it, and there's a lot to learn about it.
Because it's like, pardon me, maybe busy में
It's
बोलूँगा,
fine.
and this will like help me
it's
like create a good content. At the same time, it should not be like कि direct interview and question. Like it should be
Okay.
little it open on in
I get it. I get it.
little open ended. That's why like it goes on a flow. So what I was talking about, the mental health is the youngest science, है ना? Like what I've heard, what I've learned, it is one of the youngest science that is growing, and there's a lot to explore. Yeah? Even what I personally believe in, mental health plus brain. I've always been fascinated by these two things, and brain is something that has yet to be explored so much. Ke?
I know, right? It is yet to be explored. It's like we have only discovered like 25 or 30% of the
Yeah.
brain. There's a lot to explore in brain.
And what I personally believe is because we are all mental health professional and advocate, I would say right now, but he definitely is going to be a psychologist. Jaldi se jaldi.
Let's see.
And I am the banker. I have not even done masters. So, but yeah, I always feel there's some role. If we take this course or this mental health thing, there's some responsibility for us to create little bit of awareness. Okay, because there's a lot of stigma still, not just in Eastern world, but in the Western world there's a lot of stigma still. Even they have developed highly. There's a lot of technology. There's a lot of awareness. Even mental health topic is still a taboo in a lot of things. And
I don't think it's a taboo in much Western country. India, it is a good taboo because
Nah.
people in India say like if somebody is getting sick, they say it's mostly exorcism instead of mental
yeah,
health.
that's the thing. Yeah, we actually definitely we should value our culture, tradition, whatever it was.
That we should, but
Nah.
like, mental health
But
is a different concern.
Going to that extreme to treat mental health problem, that's why I always believe that awareness is the first thing. Because,
Awareness is necessary.
and at the same time they should be aware like more properly. It's not just about giving information, it's about like really solving the problems.
Awareness is mostly about you're taking in something and you're like putting in that in your life, and उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे सीखना उससे.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And taking the morals and things and putting that into your life and then understanding it. See, we can say like mindfulness is necessary. ठीक है, mindfulness तुमने सीख लिया, अगर उसको if you do not use it on daily basis, it won't help.
No, it won't help. Like because even mindfulness, like I always believe na ke huncha bhane, like what happens is, first of all, whatever problem is there, mental health has like wide range of problems. Okay, right from being having emotional turbulence to lot of extreme problems like schizophrenia and thing like that. Okay, our viewers would not have that idea, you know?
They
But
would.
there are very broad spectrums. Okay,
I know.
but what I believe, there's treatment for everything. Okay, there have been treatments,
There have
whether
been
it's counseling, therapies, okay, whether it's medication. But what I believe is, to see the effect, na, you need to continue it. You need to like be regular.
You need to have discipline.
That's the main thing. Na, like even if you take like, that's where the taboo come. Na, like for any other problem, even like heart attack, diabetes, you you change your overall diet, okay, and you start taking medication because you are concerned about your life. But they don't see ki mental health and mental illness problem are such that if you don't take care of them, you will end up like destroying your life
It's only
totally.
about the awareness. People are not aware about it. People do not realize it. You recognize it as a real problem. They
Yeah.
think it is just a normal thing.
It's
It
just
is
a
not.
normal thing. And what I see fascinating, na, like whenever we see people around, na, like we have seen like lot of people roaming here and there. There's no management of self, only savvy type or right, na?
No.
We see people around them. We see some people naked in the road.
Yeah.
But people say, oh, he's pagal, crazy, he's
he's
gone crazy.
mad.
But they don't really know, na?
They do not really know what is going on.
Like
with
what's going into his head, and is all the problem that is associated with brain chemicals. I've always told my, you know, when I've always tried to tell my friends, subscribers, you know, like mental health and mental illness, especially mental illness, is a lot to do with brain chemicals, ups and downs. Definitely, you know, life ma problems, life challenges, life situations matters a lot. Okay, in the trauma situation, but that exposure itself releases lot of chemicals and lot of traumas and thoughts like that, na? And that will eventually lead to brain structure ma changes and mental illness manifests itself.
Yeah, that it does. It completely does. It depends on genetic factors, it depends on environmental factors,
Yeah.
it depends on chemical factors, brain chemistry. There's a lot. I'm telling you, there's still a lot to explore in psychology. We cannot just pinpoint a specific
Yeah,
location
there's
for
no.
a specific disorder. We
This
cannot.
has never been a specific. So, sir, what do you think? Like, what should we do as a like students and as a professional
First
to
of all,
create?
awareness is necessary.
Yeah.
Like, first of all, to understand the problem, we need to go to the root of it. Where does the problem come from? That is the case with mental health. For example, we need to first be aware what exactly mental health is.
Don't stop, bro. I'm just coming. I'm just seeing like, is it getting recorded? Because I don't see any timing for yeah, it's recording. Timing is down. So he was telling about like how we as a mental health advocate, mental health professional like him can create awareness, sir. No? Like yeah, you were saying that thing, sir.
First of all, we need to spread awareness. Awareness, and that to a right awareness. सिर्फ
Yeah.
बोलने से नहीं होगा.
Definitely. But what do you think about all those things? Like we definitely deal with mental health.
What do you think
And-
well-being is?
Well-being, I personally believe, sir, it's not just about mental, cognitive. I
Well-being is
believe,
mostly about
yeah,
physical,
it's all about a
physiological,
overall
psychological,
thing,
and
na?
sociological thing. अगर तुम्हारे तीनों aspect work करते हैं, you have a good well-being.
Yeah, I believe in the concept of holistic, like health is well-being somehow or the. It means you're physically okay, healthy, mentally, socially, emotionally, cognitive-wise. At the same time, your quality of life is also good. Okay, and that's that what brings like well-being is there. At the same time, what psychology, not psychology, I would say what the definition tell is you need to be more productive, you need to be contributing to the society, and that make us really well-being because when we help other people, there are a lot of things, sir. You know? When we really help people out there, definitely there's release of dopamine and or serotonin, and it makes you feel good, and definitely that contributes to the well-being also, sir. So, what's your thought?